Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert media on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on the search bar, and now search up photo converter, image converter, install. I don't know why this thing is appearing here, but it doesn't matter. Now you can just open the app, close it. I understand. Now select the required format, let's say PNG, allow. Now tap here to add an image. I'm going to import from gallery, and let's say this one. Now tap on done. You can also compress it if you would like to. I'm not going to compress it. Then just tap on done, save. And here is our picture converted to a JPG. You can also see where it's stored. You can also just tap on saved images if you have more of them. And yep, that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.